ജി കെ വിന്നറിൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ PSC പരീക്ഷകളുടെ മെയിൻ ടോപ്പിക്കായ റിനൈൻസസ് ഓഫ് കേരളയിൽ നിന്നുള്ള കുറച്ച് ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഉത്തരങ്ങളുമാണ് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്കായി പങ്കുവയ്ക്കുന്നത്. നന്നായി പഠിക്കൂ. നല്ലൊരു വിജയം നേടാൻ ഈ ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഉത്തരങ്ങളും നിങ്ങളെ സഹായിക്കട്ടെ. ദ ഫൗണ്ടർ ഓഫ് സമത്വ സമാജം അയ്യ വൈകുണ്ഠർ. The founder of Travancore Ezhava Sabha, Dr. Palpu. Srinarayana Guru visited the Satyagrahis at Vaikam in 1924. The Maharaja of Travancore, who invited Thaikunda Ayya to his palace and became his disciple, Swati Tirunal. Panmana Ashramam is related to Chattambi Swamigal. Prabodha Chandrodayam Sabha, patronized by Pandit Karuppan, had its seat at North Paravur. Sahodaran Ayyappan launched a Misra Bhojanam program at Cherai in 1917. Shivagiri Tirthadanam was conceived by Vallabhashari Govindan Vaidyar and T.K. Kitten Writer, who was instrumental in the establishment of Muslim Aikya Sangham, a united Muslim forum for all the Muslim of Travancore, Cochin and Malabar regions. Vakkam Maulavi, who was also known as Kumara Gurudevan. Poigil Yohanan, who was also known by the name Sri Bhattaragan. Chattambi Swamigal, who was born in 1814 in Nagalapuram, Thaikad Ayya, who was called the Lingan of Kerala, Pandit Karuppan. Srinarayana Dharma Sangham was registered in 1928. Srinarayana Guru made his first visit to Sri Lanka in 1918. The founder of all Travancore Muslim Mahajana Sabha, Vakkam Maulavi. Kumaran Ashan passed away in 1924. Kumaran Ashan was born in the year 1873. Kummapalli Raman Pillai Ashan was the teacher of Srinarayana Guru. Named the organization jointly launched by Mannathu Padmanabhan and R. Shankar. Hindu Mahamandalam. Named the social reformer who had contact with Srinarayana Guru and Brahmananda Shivayogi. Vakbadananda. Named the social reformer whose education was started after attaining the age of 17. V.T. Bhattadiripad. The founder of Ananda Mahasabha, Brahmananda Swami Shivayogi, who founded Vidya Poshini, a cultural organization, Sahodaran Ayyappan, who founded Pratyaksha Raksha Deva Sabha, Poigil Yohanan, who started the publication of a journal called Abhinava Kerala, Vakbadananda, who studied at the Padashala of Petel Raman Pillai Ashan and became the monitor of the class, Chattambi Swamigal, who translated the Atmopadesha Shadakam of Srinarayana Guru into English with the title Send Loki to the Self, Nadaraja Guru, who translated the dialogue between Tagore and Narayana Guru into Malayalam during Tagore's visit to Shivagiri. Kumaranashan. The name Muthukutti was the childhood name of Ayya Vaikundar, the first to establish a printing press in Kerala without foreign support. Kuryakos Elias Chavara, the founder of Islam Dharma Paripalana Sangam. Vakkam Maulavi. Ask not, say not, think not, cast are the words of Dash. Sri Narayana Guru. Advaita Chinda Patadi was written by Chattambi Swamigal. Balakalesham was authored by Pandit Karuppan. Devadashakam was authored by Sri Narayana Guru. The leaders of Renaissance who were born in 1863, Ayyankali and Dr. Palpu. The Malayalam poet who had prominent Buddhist influence in his writings, Kumaranashan. The mouthpiece of Sadhujana Paripalana Sangam started in 1913. Sadhujana Paripalini. The Ezhava Memorial of 1900 was submitted before Lord Curzon. The first European disciple of Sri Narayana Guru, Ernst Kirk. The first medical graduate from Ezhava community in Travancore, Dr. Palpu. In which state is Maruthuamala? Tamil Nadu, Kanyakumari district. In which year Dr. Palpu was born? 1863. In which year Kumaranashan became the president of SNDP Yogam? 1923. In which year Kuryakos Elias Chavara was born? 1805. In which year Narayana Guru did the Pradishta of Goddess Sri Sharada at Shivagiri? 1912. In which year Sadhujana Paripalana Sangam became Pulaya Mahasabha? 1938. In which year Thaikad Ayya passed away? 1909. Dr. Palpu served in the medical service under government of Dash, Mysore. From where the begging march of V.T. Bhattattiripad was started? Thrissur. In what was the aim of begging march or Yajana Yatra organized by V.T. Bhattattiripad? To provide opportunity of education for poor children. In which district was the Perinad strike held? Kollam. Moksha Pradeepa Khandam was written by Chattambi Swamigal. Name the leader of Renaissance who became a minister in Travancore, Cochin. Sahodaran Ayyappan. Who was honored by the Maharaja of Cochin with the title Kavithilagan? Pandit Karuppan. Who was known as the saint without saffron? Chattambi Swamigal. Who was named Komaran at his birth? Poigel Yohanan. Who was respectfully called Superintendent Ayya? Thaikad Ayya. Who was the chief minister when the government of Kerala decided to return the press that had been confiscated in 1910 to the descendant of Vaikam Maulavi in 1957. E.M.S. Namboodiripad, who was the first to introduce the system called a school along with every church. Kuriakose Elias Chavara. Name the leader related to the Mudukulam speech of 1947. Mannathu Padmanabhan. In which year was the begging march of V.T. Bhattathiripad? 1931. Kumarakodi is the final resting place of Dash. Kumaranashan. The birthplace of Mannathu Padmanabhan. Perunna. The founder of Tattva Prakashika Ashramam at Kozhikode. Vagbhadananda. Nirvriti Panchangam was written by Srinarayana Guru. The first member of Pulaya community to be nominated to Travancore Legislative Assembly. Ayyangali. The first sannyasa disciple of Srinarayana Guru. Shivalinga Swamigal. The organizer of Kalyanadayini Sabha, Pandit Karuppan. The original name of Thaikad Ayya was Subbarayan. The Perinadu strike was led by Ayyangali. The personality who was visited by Narayana Guru at Tiruvannamala, Tamil Nadu in 1916. Ramana Maharshi. The place selected by Narayana Guru when he decided to give up his wandering life and settle down. Varkala. The place where Ayyangali started a Kudipallikudam for the depressed classes in 1905. Venganur. The place where Ayyangali started a school, the depressed classes in 1904. Venganur. The place where Dr. Palpu was born. Peta. Who called Kumaranashan as Chinnaswamy? Dr. Palpu. Who called the rule of English as White Devil and the rule of the King of Travancore as the Devil of Anandapuri? Ayya Vaikundar. Narayana Guru's second visit to Sri Lanka was in 1926. Who conferred the title of Vidwan upon Pandit Karpan in 1913? Keralavarma Valiyakoi Tamburan. Nilakanda Tirthapadar was the disciple of Chattambi Swamigal. The place where Narayana Guru is believed to have attained a state of enlightenment. Maruthwamala. The real name of Brahmananda Shivayogi. Karat Govindankutti Menon. Who ousted God from the center and placed mind in its place? Brahmananda Shivayogi. Who passed away on the previous day of India becoming a republic? Dr. Palpu. The real name of Vagbhadananda Gurudevar. V.K. Gurukal. The birthplace of Chattambi Swamigal. Kollur, Kannamoola. Vakkam Abdul Qadir Maulavi, born in 1873 in Dash district, Thiruvananthapuram. Vakkam Maulavi passed away in 1932. What was the pet name of Chattambi Swamigal? Kunyan. The social reformer ഹു ഇൻസ്പയർഡ് ദ ഫോർമേഷൻ ഓഫ് കർഷക സംഘം ഇൻ മലബാർ? വാഗ്ഭടാനന്ദ. PSC പരീക്ഷകൾക്ക് സ്ഥിരമായി ചോദിക്കുവാറുള്ള റിനൈൻസസ് ഓഫ് കേരളയിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഉത്തരങ്ങളുമാണ് ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്കായി പങ്കുവച്ചത്. ഓരോ പോയിന്റ്സും നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് നന്നായി പഠിക്കൂ. നല്ലൊരു വിജയം നേടൂ.